What do you mean, what now? I don't know. Why don't you ask Siri? Yeah, well, I don't have any service either. I mean, wasn't this Siri's idea? To take this beautiful little side road instead of stay on the highway? Well, apparently it's not much of a shortcut, is it? I don't know what we do now. I don't have any service. You don't have any service. We're in the middle of nowhere on this highway. I'm not yelling. I'm not raising my voice. I am showing my dismay at the fact that we are driving down some road that I don't know where it is, trying to get to this stupid place to go to this wedding. Really? Well, I'm sorry if it's not a pleasant drive. Trust me, I wasn't exactly thrilled to find out that I'm driving you there. Well, then I guess it's mutual, isn't it? What kind of fluke is this? Well, I mean, we work together. You obviously don't like me. Well, maybe I don't like you that much either. But what kind of a fluke is it that I wind up being the best man and you wind up being the bridesmaid of two completely different people? I've known him for a long time, and he asked me to be his best man. How the hell did I know that you knew his bride-to-be, and she asked you to be the bridesmaid? You could have caught a drive with anybody. Well, then I guess you're kind of stuck with me, aren't you? And here we are, driving down this f***ing road. I have no idea where we are. Well, I guess I'm going to keep driving until maybe we hit a main highway, or we can kind of figure out where the hell we are, or we get service, one or the other. Look, just back off, okay? I don't know what your problem is with me. What is your problem with me? Well, if you've got multiple problems, like name one. I had nothing to do with that. I wasn't even there. Well, I don't care what she told you. It's bull. I had nothing to do with any of that, and I wasn't even there. I was off that week. Well, I'm so glad you suspect me. Great. Look, you know what? I just want to go to this wedding, get it over with, and get back to the city. And then I don't have to see you until we get to work. Whatever. Fuck. There's nothing like a pleasant nighttime drive in the fucking pouring rain on a fucking stupid little road like this. I told you I'm not yelling. No, I'm not. I'm talking very calmly while I try to see if I can figure out where the f***ing road is, because I can't really even see anything. There's no lights on this road, and the only thing I'm doing is I'm lining up the white line on the side of the road to make sure that we don't drive off the side of the road and get totally f***ed up. Well, why don't you put your and earbuds in or something like that and listen to some tunes so you don't have to listen to me and I don't have to listen to you. What the f*** was that? I think we blew a tire. Hold on. Wow. This is awesome. Yes. No, I know we blew a tire because I nearly drove off the f***ing road because I have no steering. Oh, this just doesn't get any better. It doesn't get any better. So now we're stuck on this road in the middle of nowhere. What are we doing? That's a good question. I know what we're doing. Okay, this is the best bit of luck I could ever f***ing hope for. We're gonna go to that cottage. Right there. Yes, all the way over there. I know we're gonna get soaked. I don't know if anybody's there, but somebody might be there. And they might have a phone that actually works. And then we could try to get out of here. You got a better plan? Because here's my plan. Here's your choice. We can either sit in this f***ing car all night and hope that maybe somebody drives by. Or we can hightail it to that cottage. And yes, we'll be soaked. But then we can knock on the door and maybe there'll be somebody in there who can let us use a phone that actually works. And then we can get some type of assistance to get us the f*** out of here. Wow, well that's a brilliant idea. Yeah, I could change the tire if I had a spare and if I felt like sitting outside in the pouring rain changing a tire on the side of the road on some town road. No, I don't have a spare. It's flat. It's sitting in my garage. I have to fix it. Well, shucks. Sorry for being an idiot. Well, if everybody has a spare, then that's great. I got a great idea. Why don't you get out of the car, walk back to your place, get your spare, and bring it back here. And while you're at it, you can change it. I'm not being ridiculous. You're being f***ing ridiculous. I came up with a solution. It's the only one we have. Like I said, I don't know if anybody is there. If nobody is there, then we will let ourselves inside and see if they have a functioning phone, and at least we can dry off. All right, okay, what's your plan? Well, that's brilliant. Okay, so we're just going to sit here and wait to see if somebody comes by. Look at this road. Do you think anybody's coming by? Okay, how long do you want to sit here and wait to see if we get service again? Obviously, we're in some kind of dead zone. So we could sit here till the end of time and possibly never get any service. Look, we need to go to that cottage to see if we can find a way out of this. Because we have to be at this f***ing wedding at like 1 o'clock tomorrow. So, if you got a better plan, I'm all ears. And if you don't, then be prepared to get soaked because we're going to get out of the car and we're going to run to that cottage. I know it sucks. This whole ride has sucked. But this is where we are. So, you ready to go? All right. Then, prepare to get soaked, because here we go. It's the best idea we have right now. Are you ready to go? I don't feel like sitting in this car, especially with you, till the sun comes up to wait and see if somebody comes by. Now, are you ready? Because we need to run over to that cottage now. Fine. Well, let's go. Well, that truly f***ing sucked. Yeah, I know. So am I. I'm drenched too. No, I would say you're right. It would appear nobody's here. I don't know. I'm thinking. Oh, that's funny. Okay, you come up with a plan. What do we do now? You don't know. That's actually not a bad plan. I mean, break in. There's nobody here. What are we gonna do? You want to stand outside in the rain? Go back to the car? F it. We'll break in. Look, it's cold out here. We need to get inside. I'll leave them a note. I don't know. I'll leave them some money. I'll leave them a note and tell them what happened. But either way, we're gonna freeze out here. We need to get inside. I don't know. I'll bust the fucking... Oh, okay, there we go. Right there. Yes, I already tried the door. Oh, wow. You think I'm stupid? Really funny. No. This window here looks like an ultimate candidate, and since my jacket is soaked anyway, I can use this. Okay, just move out of the way, will you? I told you, I'll leave them a note. I'll leave them some money. Look, we just need to get inside to warm up for a while and figure out what the hell we're doing and see, who knows, maybe they got a landline. You know, a nice old archaic landline phone where we can call somebody. Now, can you please move out of the way? I need to bust this window so we can get in. I am sure. Okay. There, success. What do you think I'm doing? I'm going to climb in the window so I can go around and open the door. Oh. Oh. Okay, I'm going to go around and open the door. Welcome. Come on in. I know. Can't see a bloody thing. Hold on. That's better. Nice place. I know. I am too. I am absolutely soaked. What is this? It says, "Hi, Bob and Cheryl. I hope you like the place, and it looks the same as described in our ad. Please enjoy the amenities we have left for you, and have a wonderful vacation." Yeah, it's an Airbnb. We just crashed somebody's Airbnb. Enjoy the amenities. I wonder if any of the amenities include clothing, because I'm f***ing soaked. Well, let's have a look and see. Maybe there's something in here we can wear so we can get out of this shit. Yeah, we can. We can take this stuff. Look, I have an Airbnb account myself. I will get hold of them tomorrow or when I can. I'll let them know what happened and I will settle up with them. Stop worrying, okay? Whatever the damage is, I will pay for it, but I'm not gonna sit here soaking wet. So what do you say we go have a look and see if there's anything we can wear? Come on. Well, the bedroom, of course. Okay, this looks like a fairly happening closet. Let's see what's in here. Well, wow. Silk pajamas. Oh, looks like you're going in style. Looks like I'm going in style. Any particular color you like? Well, you can grab whichever ones you want. I'm going to grab these just to get the hell out of these so I can enjoy the euphoria of not being drenched. That's up to you. If you don't feel right about doing it, then don't do it. You can stay drenched if you want, but I'm not. I told you, I'll settle up with these people later, but right now, I don't feel like being soaked. So I'm going to go into the bathroom, and I'm going to change into these. If you want to pick something out of there and get into it so that you're not drenched, that's up to you. I'll be right back. Fuck. Wow. Fucking fancy. Oh, so much better. So much better. Okay. Well, look at you. I see you found something. I know. These are pretty fucking nice too. I think this is like real silk. I don't know. Either way, I don't care. It's so nice to be out of those. Well, they were talking about amenities. I wonder if those amenities include anything to drink. You know, like a drink. Like maybe they left some beer or something here. I'm going to have a look. Oh, would you stop? I can't sew. I told you, I will settle up with them later. Look at this kitchen. Holy shit. Ooh, look at this. Winner, chicken dinner. This fridge is loaded with beer and other assorted booze and food. Would you like a drink? Why not? If you want a drink, have a drink. Okay? I'm paying for it anyway. Do you want a drink? Okay. Is this fine? Okay. That's for you, and I will go for one of these. Cheers. Well, at least it's warm in here. It's dry. We're out of the rain, and we're out of the cold. Now, is there any chance that there is a phone in here? No, I don't either. Well, I guess we wait and see if we get any service. And if not, then hopefully the rain bloody well stops tomorrow and we walk and see who we can find and go from there. I know we have to be there, but we don't have to be there till 1 o'clock. We can get up early and we can figure something out. I don't know. Well, we can't really figure anything out now, can we? Whoa. Calm down. Calm down. No, stop. Look, you don't have to yell at me. Okay? You're the one who got us on this road in the first place. Well, if you want to blame your phone, that's fine. But here we are. So don't yell at me about it. Look, I saved our asses. When that tire blew, we were going to go off the side of the road, okay? I got us here safe. Now we're here. We're warm. We're dry. We're wearing dry clothes. That happened to belong to somebody else. But whatever. Okay? So let's just calm the down and try to clear our heads and figure out what we're going to do. Where are you going? It's not a bad idea. Might as well have a seat. Yeah, it is great. Okay, I got a question for you. Why do you have it out for me? Why do you have such a fucking hate on towards me? What the hell did I do? No, obviously I don't remember. Okay, well, you know what? Stop talking in circles. Remember what? I don't remember doing anything to you. I just remember you deciding one day that you just didn't like me. So what exactly did I do? What? How the hell did I stand you up? Yeah, I remember that dinner. I know I never showed up. I didn't feel like hanging out with everybody. I spent the entire day with everybody at work. I didn't feel like hanging out with them after work. What are you talking about? That dinner was for you to celebrate your promotion. I know you gave me an invite. You gave everybody an invite. What do you mean, no, you didn't? As far as I know, you were celebrating the fact that you got a promotion. And you were joking, saying, I'm going to take you all to dinner. And then an hour later, you come into my office and you give me an invite to this dinner. Wait a minute. So you didn't give an invite to anybody else? Look, I thought that you invited everybody. And I didn't feel like spending all day with everybody in the office and then going to dinner with everybody. So I didn't show up. I know you know I didn't show up, but I didn't not show up because I thought everybody was going to be there. I didn't know that you just invited me. Well, look, I didn't know that. No, look at me. I'm serious. I didn't know that. I thought you invited everybody. Well, that I don't know. I mean, I know how long it took me to get the courage to ask you out, so much so that I didn't get a chance to. Of course I was going to. We were working together for the longest time. I was dying to ask you out to something, like a movie, a dinner, anything. And then before I got a chance to, you came in You gave me this invite. I thought you invited everybody from work to go. I didn't show up. And then you started treating me all weird. And I thought something was f***ed up. I thought maybe for some reason you didn't like me. Things just kind of escalated and got worse and worse and worse. And then I figured, well, there's no way you're going to go out with me anyway. So what's the point of asking? Look, I didn't mean to stand you up. I thought everybody was going. If I had known that you invited just me, I would have been there in a heartbeat. Yes, seriously. Well, this explains a lot. It explains why, out of nowhere, you slowly but surely kind of started to act like you didn't like me and want anything to do with me. I understand. I can understand why you were pissed. But you have to believe me. I didn't know that you just invited me. Why didn't you just ask me? Well, I mean, it was very cool of you to do it that way, but I mean, I didn't know that you were just asking me. I thought you were giving me an invite, like the same invite you gave everybody else. Well, I know that now. Look, I'm sorry. I don't know what else to say. I had no idea. Like I told you, if I had known that you invited me to dinner by myself, I would have gone in a heartbeat. I sat there for I don't know how long, trying to come up with ideas to convince you to go out with me. Like I said, dinner, movie, anything. I was sitting there racking my brains, and I didn't want to come across just like some goof from work, just like everybody else who fucking hits on you. I didn't want to be one of those guys. So I was sitting there racking my head going, okay, what's the right way to do this? And then before that happened, you gave me this invite. So I didn't go, and then I was trying to think of a way to ask you out, and you were just like, don't even talk to me. And I even asked you what I did. And you said, nothing. Don't worry about it. Just leave me alone. And I asked you again. I said, look, have I done anything to bug you? And you just laughed. And you said, no, nothing at all. So I didn't know if I had done something or I said something or I did something to piss you off. And then every day after that, you just got further and further away to the point where you were just, then you started like, basically without saying it, telling me to fuck off. I know, I did play back because I didn't understand what was going on. And I was kind of thrown because like I said, I was working this up in my head and I was trying to figure out a way to ask you out. And then that all started going down and I was just like, okay, well, fuck it then. And then the more you seemed mad at me, the more I kind of played it back. We absolutely were on the wrong track. Look, you have to believe me. I'm sorry. I never would have not shown. I would have given anything to be at that dinner. No, don't be sorry. I mean, I can understand why you were pissed. As far as you're concerned, I just, like, flat out stood you up. I'm sorry, okay? I really am. I mean, if you were waiting there all that time, like, I wish you had called me or texted me or something. Because then I would have told you. I would have said, like, I don't feel like hanging out with everybody tonight. And then if you had said, who's everybody? And I figured it out, I would have hopped in a a cab or an Uber and I would have been there in 15 minutes. Oh, yeah. Yeah, you have no idea how long I thought about it and how long I planned it out and everything. I was f***ing crazy about you. Was. Am. I mean, it's kind of hard to say now. I mean, things haven't exactly been going great between us for a little while, so I guess it was more a past tense thing, but I guess I still kind of am. I did not know that. I thought I did. I thought maybe you were interested, but then when things went sideways, I thought, nah, there's no way. We were. We were both wrong. What do we do now? I guess the first thing for me to do is hey, I need you to look me right in the eyes. I'm sorry. I swear to God, I thought you were inviting everybody. I didn't know. I would have gone out with you in a heartbeat. I was dying to. I was racking my head trying to think of a way to get you to go out with me. All I can say is I'm sorry. You don't have to be sorry. I'm the one that f***ed up. It doesn't matter. I should have known. Or I should have at least asked. I mean, it wouldn't have been a big deal for me to say, oh, is everybody going? But I didn't. I just assumed. So, hold on. I'm getting closer. I'm kneeling before you in your royal pajamas because I want you to look at me and I want you to believe me that I'm sorry. Wow, extreme close-up. Okay. Thank you. I believe you accept my apology. In this case, I think maybe actions speak louder than words. I mean this. I'm sorry if that was... Why? Because I've wanted to for a really long time. I have. I wanted to kiss you for a really long time. And there was one point where I thought, like, maybe I could. And then all that shit happened. And it was like, no. So, I'm sorry, but I just... I mean, you came right up to my face to say that, and I just thought I had to... I'm sorry. Okay. You're not sorry?